Taiwan's military, for the first time, downed an unidentified civilian drone that entered its airspace near an islet off the Chinese coast on Thursday. The Defense Command for Kinmen, a group of Taiwan-controlled islands opposite China's Xiamen and Quanzhou cities, said in a statement released by Taiwan's Defense Ministry that the drone entered restricted airspace over Lion Islet just after midday, 400 Greenwich Mean Time. It added personnel on the islet tried warning it away, but to no effect, so shot it down. The remains of the drone landed in the sea. Viewers may note that Taiwan fired warning shots at a drone for the first time on Tuesday, marking a new escalation point in the long-standing confrontation. In this video, Defense updates reports on the first ever shoot-down of a Chinese drone by Taiwan. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by War Thunder. If you are, like us, fascinated by military vehicles and technology, I recommend you give War Thunder a try. It's a military vehicle combat game which you can download and play for free on PC, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One with cross-platform support. It has a huge variety of more than 1,200 playable aircraft, tanks, helicopters, and ships from the 1930s to the 1990s, which you can take to battle on land, in the air, and at sea on more than 80 theaters of war. War Thunder's been kind enough to offer all Defense Updates viewers a special bonus, which will grant you a free premium tank, aircraft, or ship, and 3 days of premium account time for registering using our link in the description below. So take the plunge and join more than 20 million players from around the world. China views Taiwan as a breakaway province and wants to bring it back to its fold in the future and has not ruled out the use of force. Taiwan is currently a self-governed democracy. While China's aircraft and warships routinely try to intimidate Taiwan, since the recent visit of U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi to Taipei, the provocations have increased significantly. Taiwan's government has said it will not escalate tensions, but has been particularly angered recently by repeated cases of Chinese drones buzzing islands controlled by Taiwan close to China's coast. The Kinmen command described the drone as being for civilian use, but didn't say if it had been recovered or what weapon was used to bring it down. Since the defeated Republic of China government fled to Taipei after losing a civil war to Mao Zedong's Communist Party in 1949, Taiwan has controlled Kinmen. The island is just a few hundred meters from Chinese territory at its closest point. Kinmen's strategic location in the Taiwan Strait has led to numerous confrontations. In August 1958, Kinmen was heavily bombarded by the People's Liberation Army during the second Taiwan Strait crisis. Currently, they're now tourist destinations. Chu Shui-sheng, deputy head of Taiwan's China Policy-Making Mainland Affairs Council, told reporters in Taipei that Taiwan had the legal authority to take necessary defense measures as Chinese aircraft were not allowed into Kinmen's airspace. Those measures include forcing aircraft to leave or to land, he said. Speaking to the armed forces earlier on Thursday, Tsai said China was using drones and other gray zone tactics to try to intimidate Taiwan. Her office cited her as saying in a statement. The statement added that Tsai again emphasized that Taiwan would not provoke disputes, but that didn't mean that they would not take countermeasures. It said, she has also ordered the Ministry of National Defense to take necessary and strong countermeasures in a timely manner to defend national security. Let the military guard the country without fear and with solid confidence. China's foreign ministry, which on Monday dismissed Taiwan's complaints about drones, said it was nothing to make a fuss about. Chinese actions are neither new nor random. It's part of a salami slicing strategy. This strategy aims for the slow accumulation of small changes. China's strategy relies on low-intensity but constant and simultaneous small provocations at multiple pressure points. This serves to stretch thin the capabilities of smaller nations like Taiwan, the Philippines, and Vietnam to respond, while limiting the risk of escalation to a manageable level. It was important for Taiwan to stand up to the continued provocations, since inaction would have embroiled the Chinese military even more.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.